Hello, my audience. Today I won't have a presentation. I've been writing so much on Medium about it, what I've done. More than 600 stories. I've been giving so many lectures. I've been teaching. I've been communicating online, on LinkedIn. Most of you know me from LinkedIn. Regeneration is old stuff in new bags. And we have to really see computers as our helpers if we are going to make the next leap. So if people wonder why I really communicate so much about Web3 and about 3D design on computers and all this complexity stuff, you will not understand complexity if you do not see 3D moving pictures, because it is really simple. And the fail factors are communication and the guts to be a leader. And that is not just about taking responsibility, but it's also about knowing what to do or what not to do in a local climate zone and in a local culture. So the rest of my videos will be a lot about communication and leadership. We always design our projects with 4 flows. Everything is flows on this planet. Everything is becoming. We should be talking in verbs. And we should be doing math in verbs and in flows. In 2013, I heard for the first time about Superformula. And I knew there was something there. It is made by a biologist. And it is planetary because it's also made by an astrophysicist. And it is math. It is the unifying formula that the beta sciences have been looking for ages, for centuries. The dream was really big, to travel in time, to travel through wormholes, to travel. I know that Elon Musk has this deep ingrained desire not to go to Mars, but to travel in time and space. What we will see there, I really don't know. I go there in my dreams at night. I have visions. So I want to make it very practical. We can design with Superformula. I have been now talking to Johan Gillis, the discoverer of the Superformula, for 2 years. I've been studying very hard to make it all my own. Before that, I have studied really a lot of the pseudosciences as well. And pseudosciences are not pseudosciences. It's just that beta sciences thinks everything is physical, whereas it is quantum physics, it is astrophysics, and it is biology. And math has been fitting physics way better than ever biology. And biology is reality. Biology is what fits our body. if we want green chemistry, we need biology. So from now on, I will be just talking biology, astrophysics, and mind, because we are a special species. My big hero, Lynn Margulis, made the evolutionary theory. Yeah, she's a microbiologist, and she made, together with James Lovelock, she made the Gaia Theory, which is the fact that we are a self-regulating organism. So that is why I say, please, people, do not worry. We are led on a road. We are led on how it's going to be. And yes, I will tell you how we have done in 2033, how we have done the global goals, because we will have done them by then. We are brave enough. We can do it. Of course, we're smart people. And then I will also tell you what the world will look like in 2222. And that without fear. Because if we do fear, then nobody takes action. If we do inspiration, then people will really get into a flow. So I want you to be inspired by my videos. I will do my teachings via the website Abundance for All, is the whole think tank about ecology, about economy. I will make videos once in a while about economy and about how we are all changing it all. But I'm more in the doing part. So my videos online will be a lot about morphic resonance as well. Morphic resonance is also a theory by a biologist, Rupert Sheldrake. His son, Merlin Sheldrake, is doing wonderful work with fungi and how it can be abundantly available material. So that is really, really wonderful. I want to make it modern. Biomimicry is very, very modern. Look at our website. Yeah, if you look in these YouTube videos, you will see how Dami Lee is doing it. Dami Lee is explaining spatial relationship in ways that are mesmerizing and so true. She's an architect and all the time exploring, like I do, making things bigger, being creative, narrowing it down, and then really exploring with it. So all my next videos will be combinations. I don't do what most regenerative people do. I do all the regenerative projects. At this moment, we have a few. The rest is all in my past. So if you want to know about that, just give me a buzz on the website, and then you can do mentoring or masterclasses or whatever you want to do. But from now on, I will be inspiring with morphic resonance and how we are cleaning soils with Victor Schauberger water and morphic resonance, hertz, sound. So we do a lot of light and sound things. We also do waters. Waters can be restored with sound. I really, really love it. It's completely hardcore science. You tape a healthy ecosystem, you play it in a degraded ecosystem, and the microbes and everything comes running. I really love it. I will also tell you about how we do sediments, because also for decades already, we are restoring ecosystems and having nature-based solutions. In China, it is an area as big as the Netherlands that has been restored already and built like local economies on it. It's really wonderful. We do the same thing in Indonesia with the mangroves and all these things with bamboo and everything. We do the same thing in the sea. So we do it in Greece, for instance. We are transforming tourist areas. Yes, so that is also using, filling up stranded assets, making sure that people do not make the economy more expensive by buying all the houses and not having space for local people. Locals in the lead. We will do not mass tourism, but always responsible tourism. And we will fill up stranded assets. If there are hotels, why not fill them up off season with older people who want health, with digital nomads, with student projects. So we do a lot of marriage of sea and space students projects at this moment. So I really love that kind of thing. We have a wonderful diver we work with in Greece, Spiros Kolas. And I really hope it'll all explode into all these wonderful things that are the new way of regeneration is and that also means biotechnology. Yeah, it is biology, it's biotechnology, it's chemistry, it is green chemistry, it is making, for instance, plastics and then using microbes to make them into microbial plastics, to make them biodegradable when they touch the water. It is a lot about health and our bodies, because health is not just vaccines and pills. That's the short version. If you want it really fast, only use that when you are in life-threatening situations, I'd say to you. Otherwise, design cities to be malaria low and really design your environment. You are responsible as a person to have a life worth living. We all have YouTube or any other sharing channel, whatever. Web3, which is the blockchains and the cryptos and the dataverses and metaverses and everything, will be the ones that will do it for the future, because they are infrastructures for data. We have huge teams around the world who understand regeneration by now and who are doing it in these ways. We make carbon credits available for SMEs, for food banks, for all kinds of things. So we will be financing the whole thing out of the normal capitalist economy. We work with currency scopes. We make unconditional basic incomes by tokenization. It's all possible now. And I really, really hope you'll join us in this modern version of whatever it is I have been doing for decades already. Yes? Learn from us. Try it. Bye-bye.